everyone. How are all y'all doing? This is a bit of an impromptu video. I didn't plan on making this one because I planned on doing a series of videos on the seed starting, which is coming up. But anyway, I was checking on the Canna bulbs that I had dug up and overwintered. Remember, I had put them in a bin with sawdust, and because that's what you're supposed to do with them. And I just wanted to show you some interesting results. So this pile and this pile, both of them were in the same bin. Both of them were in the sawdust. And I would say about half of them have turned to mush. These ones don't seem to be in the best conditions. There's this one or this one. No, sorry, these ones. These ones are really mushy, even though there's a little bit of a sprout going on there. But in general, I don't think these are very viable. Out of everything, these ones seem to have done the best. But I wasn't really impressed. Oh, there's a crumb there too. So, you know, that looks like that would be viable if I planted. But in general, these don't seem to have been done, like, survive the best. They weren't necessarily put in a cold place. They've been in my workshop the whole time. The temperature in my workshop, even though I have a furnace in here, I never let the temperature get below 18 degrees Celsius. But they were in the sawdust and in the container, and that's the results. Because I just ran out of time and got busy with other stuff, there's a bunch of the bulbs, the Canna bulbs, that I just left in bins on the ground inside the shop. And that's these ones. Nothing special done. They were literally just put in a big plastic container, no sawdust, no cover actually, and these look like they're in much better condition than the ones that were in sawdust. Like, you still can see the natural color of the bulbs, the roots themselves. There's several sprouts on it, and just in general, they look a hell of a lot better than these over here. Now, I don't know enough about these bulbs to say that these ones will definitely grow back and do better than these ones, but just on, you know, ignorant look, first glance, it seems like these did a lot better. So suggesting that I don't necessarily have to put them in sawdust and do that extra effort. I mean, I'm lucky enough to have a workshop that produces sawdust, so it's not to say I can't find it. But the condition of the bulbs, I mean, these are almost look like they're in decay. They're firm, not mushy as some of these. But like I said, these are just left on the ground in the bins, seem to have done much better. So what I am going to do is plant up some of these in containers, because they are nice tropical looking plants and they would look beautiful on the inside the house. I don't know how they'll do outside of a direct facing window, but we'll worry about that when that comes around. So I'm going to plant a pot with a couple of these in there, and I'm going to plant a pot with a couple of these to see if they both sprout and grow, or if one does better than the other. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, kind of surprised, because like the sawdust method, I've heard you have to do with dahlias and other other tubers and bulbs that won't survive, like in zone 7. They are more grown in like warmer climates. But yeah, just to find these just in the bin and look much healthier than those, it's a bit surprising. Anyhow, I'm going to plant these up and look for future videos on how these actually did.